अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करना है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कलेक्शंस आर सेट्स एंड वाई। कौन से सेट्स हैं और कौन से सेट्स नहीं है। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ बैंक। बैंक वेल डिफाइंड भी है और इसके सारे एलिमेंट्स डिस्टिंक्ट हैं, यानी कि डिफरेंट हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ 2, 4, 6 and 8। दिस इज़ ऑल्सो ए सेट बिकॉज द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस सेट्स आर distinct and well defined. Third one is 0, 1, 2, 0. This is not a set because 0 appear 2 times in this set. The next one is D, killer. This is also not a set because L appears 2 times in this set. The next one is legal. Legal, this is not a set because L appears 2 times in this set. The next question is F. F1 is 9, 3, 5, 1. This is also a set because the elements of this set is different and distinct. The set of story books. This is also a set because the story books are well defined and different elements. The set of beautiful birds. This is not a set because beautiful birds can be more than one. The set of rich people. This is not a set because rich people can be more than one. The set of students in the 7th class. This is a set. The set of fish in the river Ravi. This is also a set. The set of bad students in a school. This is not a set because bad students in a school can be more than one. The set of wooden chairs. Wooden chairs, this is also a set because this is well defined and distinct. The next question is question number 6 is list the elements of the following sets. The set of 5 countries: Pakistan, India, China, America and Japan. आपको सेट्स गिवन है और आपने उनके एलिमेंट्स लिखने हैं. The set of 3 games: cricket, hockey, football. The set of 5 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और होल नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. द सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 8 इवन नंबर्स 2 के मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. द सेट ऑफ वॉवल्स AEIOU. द सेट ऑफ 4 मंथ्स सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. द सेट ऑफ 7 days of the week: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. The set of the colors of Pakistan's flag: green and white. The set of the 5 rivers of the Punjab: Ravi, Janab, Satluj, Jhelum and Sindh. The set of the 3 Islamic months: Muharram, Ramzan and Shawwal. So today we have done exercise number 1.1.